Hi, Mama Ring.
Kumakain siya ng ano, ako din kakain din ako ng clementines, guys.
No, Jan, you're naughty, Jan. I'm not naughty. You are naughty.
Good morning, Philippines!
Don't you cry, somebody's got you.
No memory card. Chidadu. Hubsy Bug is waiting for bread.
Yes, he is.
Hubsy little man is right here stretching. The baby of my life. You go ahead and do your shower. I'm sorry. I'll talk to you later. I love you. Bye-bye. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. Good morning. And yeah, so ano lang ako. Kakain lang ako, guys. 8 o'clock. And then I'm going to drive to the store to get some dog food, cat food. And today is Saturday. Then I will probably get some frozen vegetables for Sunday. It's foggy out, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Ang puti-puti sa labas. Look, puti-puti sa labas. So foggy. Foggy afternoon. It's not afternoon. But anyway, so yeah, good morning. And I'm going... Hala, saan na eh? Hala, tignan nyo guys, ang dito sa likod. Tignan nyo guys. What are you doing over there? What are you doing, little man? Little man, we're not gonna fit here. Get down. Get down, bug. Tignan nyo guys. Hubs, get down, little man. Get down. No. Get down. Huy, get down. Little bug. Huy. Go away, go away. Go away. Huy, get down. Oy, tignan. Ayaw makinig. Naglasis ko, guys, tungod kay naglalaro ako. And ang sahala, walang asukal. Hold on, guys. Nakalimutan kong lagyan ng asukal. Aalis ako ay mamaya. I want to go there early and then I want to film. Mas mura pa yung croissants kaysa Hawaiian. Alam nyo ba yung Hawaiian maliit siya, di ba? At saka I think 9 lang ang nasa loob. And then it's $4, like $3.99. It's $4. And yung croissants malaki pa siya, dami pa sa loob. I think 12 ang nasa loob. And then it's like $5 something. But malaki siya. Hello guys. I'm going out. I'll be right back, Rox. I'm going to go to get some grocery. Actually, let me check if meron akong tomato sauce. Because Monday, I promised Tammy to make him some meatballs, pasta. You know, Italian thing. So, tignan natin kung meron tayong tomato sauce. Parang wala tayong tomato sauce. Tomato sauce man yun, di ba? Okay, so no tomato sauce. Tomato sauce lang yung kailangan. And so yun, pasta I have, meatballs I have frozen parsley because I need parsley. And what kind of seasoning I have here? I don't have oregano. What is this? I have paprika here. I have paprika. Italian seasoning. This will be good. Yeah, this would be good for that. Italian seasoning. So, bilisan lang itong lakad ko. And I will be right back. Kasi kailangan ko talagang magtrabaho, guys. Kasi yung video ko is natatanggungits na. Wala na akong mga video extra. Kailangan, babalik lang ako at kailangan ko pang mag-film sa microphone dito. Ginoo ko. Ginoo ko. I am Bucky. Oh, woo. Let's go out. Let's go out. Yan, labas kayo dyan. Mag-ano kayo sa business niyo. Anyway, guys, how are you? Nakarating na ako. Sino ba itong nag-chachi-chachi? Onion man lang, eh. Bumili ako ng mga 3 tomato sauce. Malaking can. Ano siya? 3 for $4. So, kaya Tatlo yung kinuha ko. So, ito. Yun. Uy, salamat sa pag. And I got Tommy card. Because I don't get him a card or a gift yet. The card, I want, every time I go to grocery, guys, I look for a card. And I don't like the card. So, I don't get him a card because I don't get him just because. And, yeah, so I got him a card this time because I like the card. And I got this hot and spicy. Look. Hot and spicy, ito. Mukbang natin na ako. And also, I got a thing for the bathroom. Airwick yung sa bathroom. Plugged in. And also, I got a lot of cat food. And, Jello. I got sponges for washing dishes. And, I got a, look, Jello, guys. Strawberry Jello, lemon Jello, lime Jello, ano pa ba yun? Orange Jello. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung binili ko. Mura ako taling-taling. Punta tayo sa taas, guys. Kausap ko si Sis Mia. Andun siya sa taas. Naghihintay sa taas. Andito siya sa bahay. Naghihintay. No. Nag-Skype kami. Usap kami. Kumakain siya ng orange. Ako din. Nagkukuha lang ako ng tubig at saka clementines. I'm back! Back!
You're back. Asa ka naman.
Yan si Sis Mia, guys. Ay. Sis! Hi, sis!
Hello, everyone! Mga maring! Hi, mga maring!
Kumakain siya ng ako din kakain din ako ng clementines, guys. Yan. Sarap niyan. Okay, kain tayo Vlog tayo kasi hindi ako nagba-vlog for a few days na. Unsa na siya? Orange na?
Orange is pwede as luma?
Unya, unsa may atong meetingan ron? Unsa may atong agenda?
Adinda na to, sa adinda. Unsa man tong lecture karon?
Unsa man to yung bangta na gani?
Sa bang sa kwan, sa anong pag-iom sa tayo pag-record sa imo?
Hala,
Ay,
naman
ba
na.
nag-record sa imong kwan? Ka nag-transfer, to nag-song cover ka?
Oh, dito ko nagkuan. Dito man ko magkuanan na.
Pag-pain ba, pag-utro, pag nato ba? Request na ko katong, nakakon mo ka ni near or far nga song? Hindot ka na siya nga song, kwan ay mo pinaka favorito sis.
Kanta daw, be? Unsay title?
Hindi ko gawa di ba yun?
Sige na.
Nindot ang music.
Tay sabi, unsay pangitaon na ako, be? Near far ako pangitaon na. Dili na far or near.
Ang gatong ang nag-cover kay i-cover na po ni siya ni Kwan in Just Conte.
Near or far?
Just Conte cover. Ano lang cover. Kaya ganahan ko sa iyahang
Oh, those sexy glasses.
sexy glasses ko na siya.
Ha? Jan, ay na-colored.
Nagtalara sa alik ko sa puntahan na po.
Nagtago-tago. Why you're hiding all the time?
Why are you hiding, hon? You got yours?
Hi, Jan.
You guys, you have grandma.
Thank you. I'm just wearing glasses because I am playing.
Playing?
Yeah.
Playing what? Bingo.
Game. Online.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Ang siya yun, sis?
Are you being naughty? Are you being naughty?
No, Jan, you're naughty, Jan. I'm not naughty. You are naughty.
What are you munching?
Clementines.
Okay.
Oh, you call it Clementine
So that's what
glasses?
it is.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, what
So you don't
is?
tell that chef, is it?
No, what's the other one? The one that we have?
You have clementine, you have nectarine.
Yeah, nectarine.
Not so nectarine, a peach thing.
Yeah.
You have
You know what I mean? Tangerine?
tangerine.
Tangerine.
Yeah, tangerine.
Clementine, tangerine, whatever. They're all the same family.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, they could be. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
God.
Hi guys, good evening. Good afternoon na guys. Oy, alas laptop ko dala-dala ko, dalhin ko sa baba. I tried my best to kamalate. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat dyan. Is my baby want to play with mama? Come in. No bites. No, nobody is. Okay, come here. I'll help you. I'll help you. Nobody is. Roxy. Good girl. Good girl. Nobody is para manipak man, di ba? Why you kick me? Alam, baby ni mama. Alang, nitikos ni mama. Alang, baby. Tungo sa baby ni mama. Ang baby ni mama, alang, biti-bitikos. Ang baby lab-lab-lab-lab ni mama. Nitikos. I feel so good. I feel so good. Labas tayo, guys. Hello. No. Ay. What are you doing? What are you doing, Rox? Ang daming bunga dito. Ayan. Yup. Ang dami doon sa labas. Doon, ang dami. Raspberry man ito. Pwede na ito kainin. Yun. Ang daming bunga ng raspberry namin. Look. Ang dami. Dito din. Tignan natin, guys. Look dito. Look, ang dami talaga. Pwede na ito makain ba? Ang dami. Dami. Good morning! Good morning, guys! Good morning. Wala, hindi pa ako naligo. Early in the morning pa kasi. Ganun pa rin yung suot ko. Okay, guys. Listening to your phone. Oh, no! And I really miss you after all. And I'll always need you. And if you ever change your mind, I'll... Siwa, parang baliw talaga. Tumahol, pero iyak pagkasunod. Yung iyak niya, ang ibig niyang sabihin nun, yung iyak niya is, labasin mo ako, mama. Labasin mo ako. Huh? Papatayin ko yung nasa labas, mama. Tatakbo ako at ikaw ang papatayin. Toxic talaga, oy. Why you crying? No, no, get. Ay, nako. Pagkagahig, kalimutaw. Hard head. Di maminaw. No. There's nothing outside. Did you see something? Tell me. You told me, Mama, to shut up. Before I'm going to have my breakfast, guys, alam niyo ba kung ano yung ginagawa ko? I am making Jilo for my ASMR. Kung hindi pa ninyo napanood, sana mapanood ninyo yon, or baka hindi pa upload, pero ito Jilo, at 4 itong flavor, guys. Kung gusto niyo mapanood yon, ASMR sa isang channel ko, Food Time by MaryAnn.